it's Noe with WTI, and this is not just a piece of jewelry. This is your new favorite piece of smart gear that fits on your hand and not on your wrist. This ring has a sleek design, is very lightweight and comfortable. You'll want to ensure that you use the sizing kit to ensure a proper fit. And honestly, for me, my ring size is interchangeable between the index and the middle. There are so many cool features on the app, but some of my favorite are monitoring my heart rate, my oxygen levels, my sleep quality. I love going in there and using it for the workout. Being able to see the breakdown of what zone I'm running in is amazing. You're even able to go in and customize what you've done for the day. I absolutely love the fact that it also syncs with my watch and other running apps. One of the best features is the AI health. It'll give you kudos some days, and it'll also give you some target areas to work on, which is great to keep you goal oriented and stay on track with your fitness journey. It definitely has a long lasting battery, something you'll want to keep in mind. If you're going in and taking extra measurements of your heart or stress, then you'll want to keep in mind that it will run the battery a little bit faster. It's also water resistant. I found that I was able to easily wash dishes, wash my hands with no problem or worry that it's damaging the ring. So if you're looking for an easy way to track and monitor your sleep, stress, or really to help you with your fitness and wellness goals, then you're going to absolutely love this Nova Smart Ring. And that's my point of view.